Welcome to peaceful living homes. Hidden among nature's wonders, stone homes stand as timeless retreats, built to last, designed to comfort. Their rustic charm, natural textures, and cozy interiors create the perfect escape from modern chaos. Whether nestled in the mountains or surrounded by lush greenery, these homes blend effortlessly with the landscape, offering warmth, history, and serenity. Let's explore these amazing stone homes where every wall holds a story and every moment feels like a retreat. Imagine stepping into a stone cottage tucked deep within the mountains. The walls, built from rugged stone, hold warmth from the crackling fireplace inside. Wooden beams, soft lighting, and the scent of burning firewood create an atmosphere of pure comfort. Outside, the cool mountain breeze flows through the trees, adding to the peaceful charm of this unique home. A retreat like no other, where nature and history come together in perfect harmony. For centuries, stone homes have stood strong against the test of time. Built from the earth itself, they offer natural insulation, keeping the inside cool in summer and warm in winter. Their thick walls whisper stories of the past, while their timeless beauty adds a touch of elegance to any landscape. These homes are not just structures, they are sanctuaries, where life slows down and every moment feels grounded in nature's embrace. Tucked away by the gentle flow of a mountain river, a stunning stone home rests peacefully. Moss-covered walls, wooden shutters, and a small garden filled with wildflowers create a picture-perfect retreat. The sound of flowing water, the rustling of leaves, and the warmth of natural stone make this home a dream escape, a place where simplicity meets luxury, and every sunrise feels like a new beginning. As the sun sets, golden light washes over a charming stone cottage, highlighting its rich textures and earthy tones. A wooden door creaks open, revealing a cozy, candlelit interior. The soft glow of lanterns, the warmth of a wool blanket, and the scent of home-cooked meals fill the air. Outside, crickets sing, and the cool night breeze whispers through the trees. This is what true comfort feels like, a home that embraces you with peace and timeless beauty. Deep in the heart of the wilderness, an off-grid stone cabin stands in perfect harmony with its surroundings. No city noise, no distractions, just the sounds of birds, the rustling of trees, and the warmth of a hand-built fireplace. Thick stone walls provide shelter from the elements, while the wooden interior adds a touch of warmth. This is the true essence of simple living, where nature becomes home and peace is found in every breath. There's something magical about stone homes, their strength, their beauty, their connection to the land. Whether ancient or newly built, they hold a special charm that modern houses can't replicate. Each stone, carefully placed, tells a story of craftsmanship and tradition. In a world that's always rushing forward, these homes remind us to slow down, embrace nature, and find comfort in simplicity. A stone home isn't just a place to live, it's a place to belong. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.